Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to upload CV on LinkedIn profile. It's very simple tips and tricks. How to do it, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So first of all, you need to log in your LinkedIn profile. This is my LinkedIn profile. I click here in the profile menu. So this is my LinkedIn profile and top of the screen here me. If you click here, after that setting and privacy, and here several options are display here. One of the option data privacy, you just simply click, scroll down, and here job application setting, and look at this here. I uploaded several resume here, but those resume is outdated, so that's why I won't delete this resume, or you can download also. So I delete all old my resume here, and after that I upload fresh one today. Just select my resume. I already download in download folder, and look at this, uploaded to 14th of February 2024, means today is 14th of February and I uploaded here updated resume. So this is a simple process to update latest resume on LinkedIn. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.